Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to remove member on Trello board. So first thing that you would do is of course go to one of your board. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one over here, and now after that you could just simply go ahead and select this icon over here on the top right corner of the screen, which is the share board icon. And after that you should be able to see here your board members down below, and you can just simply go to one of the members that you want to remove and select the member icon over here, and a drop down will show up. And as you can see, you should be able to have an option over here, remove from board. Just simply go ahead and select that one, and after that you will have a warning that this person will be removed from all the cards on this board. And after that, just simply select this one, remove the red icon, and it will now be removed. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching. See ya.